Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio in Holden Barina and the generation between 2011 to 2016. So yeah, to remove the front plastic frame here, we just need plastic trim remover tools. In this case, we could use 2 or 3 of these plus 1 of this like this, but you can use quite similar tool to get it out. The reason why we have to combine the mixing of the few different plastic trim removal tool, because the plastic frame in the front here, the top section 1, 2, 3 and 4, the trim behind are mounted extremely tight to the dashboard. Okay, I would say extremely tight. So that's the word to get some careful step to remove it, because it is extremely tight over there. So how you get into it is this one. The top one, we start from the top. Okay, so basically we start with the yellow one, sliding the yellow one somewhere like here, and also use another yellow one, sliding a little bit on the side, and after that we could use this one, slide further deep into this, and then gently twist a bit, and then force it, push it, pull it to your body direction, and with that little trick, one on the side here and one on the top, then the top left corner will come out first, just the top left corner, okay, nothing else. And you might hear something like a broken metal piece. Don't worry, because actually that is when the plastic frame here detach from the inner metal clip that stays around the plastic trim tab. You probably will find it somewhere when you walk inside. Now the right side doesn't move straight away. You have to do the same thing. Put the yellow one on the top, another yellow one on the top here, and slide this one further in like this, and then you try to pull it hard, twist, pull it and twist, and then at the same time apply the force with the yellow one on the top here, don't break it, and the yellow one here. It takes about 5 minutes for each corner, left and right, for us to get it out. And even at some point you think that okay, you cannot do it, but actually you will be able to do it. Okay, and the same thing, you might hear the kind of metal cracking noise. No, it's not cracking, it's just the time the plastic trim top here detach from its metal clip behind, and you have to find it. Okay, now after 2 of this one get out, you still need to do the same way on the middle here. Put this one into it and pull it forward, and the same thing on the right side. But now for the second step down to the middle, it's much easier than the top one, and you can get the middle one out. And surprisingly, the bottom one has nothing like that. It's just a very simple thing at the bottom, the plastic, the sliding plastic like this, without any clip. But the top one, look at this, that is the top one, okay, and that is the top corner one. It already got the metal clip, okay, and the middle one and the middle one, they have metal clip. Now look at this, here is the metal clip that I mentioned. You can see that it still stay there, okay, this metal clip there, it stay there, okay, and you have to carefully remove it. Okay, when you do the job carefully, you can do that and remove it out of that place. Oops, sorry. Yeah, so that's one meter clip, 2 meter clip, 3 here, and 4. Okay, so 4 meter clips, and you need to get them back to put the new frame back into the car. But that's about, so 4 meter clip holding on the top, and only 2 sliding guide clip at the bottom. Okay, all done on that, and now you will see 4 of the 7mm size, you know, screw. Just use the 7mm socket, unclip, sorry, unscrew 4 of them, 1 2 3 4, that holding the radio. And after that you can slide the head unit out, unclip the big quad lock clip, and then unclip the other, you know, connector at the back, which actually it has few of them, and then you will be able to get this one completely out. Okay, so in this case we have 1 big one, 1 small one, and 1 small one, so yeah, 3 of them at the back end. That's when you completely remove the factory head unit out of the Holden Barina. So it talks like quick and so sounds like easy, but remember that the top extremely hot, the middle very hot, the bottom nothing to how easy slide out. So we are doing the 9-inch upgrade in this car model, and soon we'll see another video, you know, after we finish the job. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.